Hello and welcome to CUNY BMW. My name is Adam. As a BMW genius, I was asked to share my favorite piece of new technology in our BMWs. My favorite will be demonstrated in this 2020 M340i. Have you ever wanted to use your vehicle to help you from going over any speed you desire without being in cruise control? Thanks to the new manual speed limiter function, you can. Once this system is activated, set your speed and drive like you normally would. When you reach your selected speed, the vehicle will assist you in maintaining that speed, even if you rest your foot on the gas pedal. One option that can be used with the manual speed limiter is the ability to change the set speed when you are either in the speed limiter mode or in cruise control. When this feature is turned on, you will see a set icon appear next to the speed limit sign on the dash. To change the speed to match the speed limit sign, simply press the set button on the left side of your steering wheel and your vehicle will change its speed to the current speed limit. What happens if you need to go faster, say for an evasive maneuver or to pass somebody on the highway? No problem. Just press further on the gas pedal and off you go. This system can be activated as slow as 20 miles an hour, which is perfect for their school zones. Feel free to stop by CUNY BMW to experience this and other innovative technologies in the ultimate driving machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.